Hello YouTubers, my Ford Transit 2020 year model, mileage 300,000 miles. Windshield fluid stopped working. The wipers are working but not the fluid. So I tried looking for fuse and there's no fuse for the pump that pumping the fluids to the windshield. So that's today's project, to find what's the problem. I know I'm not low on fluid, that's a fact, so let's go from there. So here's the pump over here. Okay, so the first thing I try, and the motor's not working, so next step is to double check the power. I don't know if it's going to be helpful for any of you guys, but in my case, looks like there is a break in the wire somewhere in here. When I wiggled it a little bit, so I'm going to have to open it up and pretty much just solder it up. But I did not find any fuses for this thing or whatever. So in my case, it was a broken wire. If anybody had a similar problem, I would like to hear from you. Maybe you know where the fuse for this pump is, but that's my case. Thank you for watching, and good luck if you have something like that.